Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to update Scrabble Go. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the Play Store application. Now in the search bar, type in Scrabble Go. Click on the app. Now if this app requires an update, then instead of play button, an update button will be visible. So you'll have to tap on that update button, then your app will be updated automatically. So that is how you can update Scrabble Go application. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.